Today, I'm gonna talk about the do-it-yourself hole, DIY. And I was the designer of this hole. And the reason that I made it is because here I am sitting like a kindergartner, crisscross applesauce on the carpet, and I'm brought back to my mom, Suzy Penner. So this hole is dedicated to her. She was a kindergarten teacher for decades, and I grew up helping her in her class. And the favorite thing for her class was the big blocks. And so they would clear off the carpet and they bring out these big blocks, and the kids would make whatever they wanted. They could make a car, they could make a kitchen set, they could make just a crazy tower. And so this hole, everything is loose, and the kids put it together. So yesterday I took everything off, and kids came here and they built all this stuff so they can build ramps and blocks. And it's about encouraging creativity and engineering, because I think that after they've played a couple holes, they get like, I want to do this, I want to make something, and it works really well. They're just having a lot of fun. I come to the hole sometimes and I find stuff that has been left here. So I think my contractor brought this piece, but people love using it. And beautiful old gas tank. Obviously it doesn't, gas can doesn't have anything in it. These funny ramps, pieces of metal. There's two different holes so people can do different things. It's just really a lot of fun, and so I'm sure more stuff will be put on here and taken away, and it's about being creative.
Yeah!